everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful poncho. You can see videos of this work in the live section in channel. I use 5mm hook and 5mm yarn. This is acrylic cake yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn and chaining, yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains 1 2 3 4 5 6. In here continue like this, insert your hook into this chain, go to this chain, 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and continue like this. Make more chains. I made 90 of these chains. You can add more chains and make larger than this size. Measure these chains around your head. We have 60 centimeters in here. This is suitable for 56 centimeters head size. Measure your head plus 4 centimeters. In here, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 1 2 chains. Go to first chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, 1 double crochet in each stitch and continue. I made first round like this until here. In last stitch make 1 double crochet, go to top of first chains, insert your hook into these chains, pull up yarn, slip stitch. In first round we have 90 double crochet stitches. Make 1 2 chains, make 2 chains, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 2 double crochet. In here we have 1 2 3 stitches. Make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each stitch. In here I made 44 double crochet in total, 1 double crochet in each stitch. In this is 45 stitches. In here make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and continue 1 double crochet in each stitch. In here we have, I make 2 last stitches, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. In here we have 44 double crochet stitches. Go to top of first chains. In here we have chains, insert your hook into these chains, pull up yarn, make a slip stitch, make 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, go to corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. I made this stitch, go to corner, make corner, 1 2 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 2 3 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. I made this stitch, go to last stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to top of chains, slip stitch, make 2 chains, 1 double crochet in this stitch, go to corner, make corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. In this row we made 48 double crochet, and continue, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, continue same as before rows and make more rows like this. I show in here I made this corner, make 1 stitch in here, go to corner, make corner, same as before rows, 3 double crochet stitches, 3 chains, 3 double crochet stitches, and make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch, make more rows. I made these rows until here. This is suitable for large size. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20. I made 24 rows in here. You can make larger than this size. I show, continue, and make bigger than this. I will continue and make next rows in here. You can see videos of this work in the live section in channel.